Good morning, Shadows. We are on our way to the free walking tour. We got a pretty busy day today. Trying to get that done and some of the sea garden stuff done because of the weather and because of my shoulder, you know, a little behind. So we're gonna get a lot of stuff done today. Let's do it. Alright, per usual guys, I'm here early, but I did go in and found this cool thing. This is one of the things I wanted to go see. Not swimming with the dolphins, but just kind of see the dolphins. So I guess there's a show at 10:30, 12, and 3:30. So I don't know if we'll make it today, but tomorrow that's definitely on the list for sure. So I'm just gonna sit here, chill, wait for the tour to start. Hopefully I'm not the only one. Be a little awkward, but cool, I guess. Alright guys, we'll be sitting here for about, hold on, about 20 minutes. Not too bad. Alright guys.